Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video let's understand about what is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. It is a process of improving your website visibility on Google search results. Main goal of SEO is to bring unpaid organic traffic. There are four types of SEO mainly. First one is on-page SEO, second is off-page, then technical and local SEO. Let's understand in detail. First one is on-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on improving the website content and structure by optimizing the content, giving good titles, meta descriptions, header tags, keyword sections. This is my practical work. Recently, I have made a blog of workflow of search engines. Here, I have given title, description with using a focused keyword, which is workflow of search engines. Here you can see this. This is my SEO where I have got all the green ticks because I have used focus keyword in all of them. This is the page analysis where I have done a proper on-page SEO because I have given focus keyword in content, in introduction, in meta description, in URL, and the length is also good, and meta description length is also good. Then content length, and I have given proper internal links and external links. The next one is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO focuses on actions taken outside the website for the better visibility and authority of the website. Off-page SEO gives backlinks to websites by using this common off-page SEO techniques like social bookmarking, forum submission, article submission, blog commenting, guest posting, document sharing, infographic submission. These techniques helps your website visible on Google and builds trust. This is my practical work of it, where I have done on sheet. I have used Web 2.0 submission site. In this, I have used medium.com because its DA in domain authority is good. This is my final submitted URL. The next one is technical SEO. Technical SEO focuses on the technical aspects of the website. It is a backbone of SEO, where it focuses on all the what is happening at the back end of the website, from website structure to site speed, by giving actions with HTTPS response codes, from indexability to link structure. Main main work of technical SEO is to do proper indexing and crawling to see whether it is proper indexing and crawling. If the page is indexed, then in how much seconds it is visible on Google search results. Here you can see. Then it is mobile friendly or not. Then this is schema markup. This is the extra features when you search something on Google search results. If a website user gives schema markup, uh, then its results will show like this by giving star rankings to showing location, time, reviews. Then finally, what is local SEO? Local SEO means optimizing your businesses locally by using local SEO. It is done whenever if a person searches for a pizza near me. If you do local SEO, then your results will show like this by showing maps, reviews, and the results near me places. Local SEO is done through my Google My Business tool. It is a free tool by Google where you can add your business details like website, contact number, your business details, contact, phone number, everything about your business. So, local SEO is important for local businesses near us. Thank you. Thanks for watching.